There we go. Is this on? All right. Okay, so my talent I'm going to share with you guys today is my talent of cooking. Okay, so as high school students, we don't really have a lot of time to cook. We all know that. So I just come up with some fast recipes, and one of them is smoothies. Who doesn't like smoothies? So first, you have the bananas. Got those in. Second, you're gonna add some strawberries. And I also like to listen to the experts. And the experts say we need to eat fish at least 3 times a week. So, high school kids, we just don't have time to cook fish. We just add the fish to the smoothie. We gotta get power first. Take a little bit and I'll tell you how it tastes. sweet so much. Gosh, so much sweet. Okay, we're running on time, so we're on. Hands for the hand. Not done yet. Thank you so much. All right, since we're done with protein, we're going to move on to sweet food. So, I got a taste of my mouth. A little snack I like to eat every so often is a s'more. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your s'more with graham crackers, that's the important part. Place it on your plate. And you're gonna put it in the microwave. But experts also say we need to eat light. So I found one thing that's gonna make me eat light.
Butterfly?
Close the door without tipping any over. It's not gonna blow that big. Alright, so another cool thing you need to know about this, you need to turn down the lights when you do this.
Who's got the extinguisher?
Alright, so they're lighting up, getting more light, getting lighter. But it also takes a while, so I'm just gonna play a ukulele.
Leave it for later. How big the marshmallows are.
Question, do any of you know the love song? Alright, what part do you guys want to sing? I don't know all of them. You guys need to sing with me though. Alright. Do you just want to start with Volcano start singing? Yeah? Alright.
Bye.